Hello friends, I'm Sujit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Earn with Sujit Patel. Today I am here with a brand new videos for a new product released today 23rd of July called Instant Guru, and today we'll be reviewing that product and we'll see a demo and we'll see what does it offer and what bonuses we'll get, and we'll see how it will help you in your internet marketing world and what benefits you will get out of it. Okay, so in short, in nutshell, what it does, it creates lots of content for you day by day, and with the brand new content from brand new products from JVZoo and Warrior Plus and many more, and ClickBank also, and many more contents you want and post to your websites, so that it will help you in ranking your website on Google, and it will just uh, pump you lots of contents to your website every day. So without wasting time, let's jump to my computer screen and we'll see the demo and what does it offer and what benefit you will get along with my awesome bonuses. Okay.
Okay guys, so I'm on the member area of Instant Guru. So before we go through this Instant Guru dashboard and all other links, let me take you through my bonus page and we'll see what are you getting as a part of my custom bonuses. So this is my bonus page and it looks like this, and it you can see that days countdown is already going on, and it will expire in 2 days and 5 hours of time. So when so click on the link below down this video if you are watching on YouTube, or click on the link or button in the email if you are looking into your email box. Okay, so click on the link below and you will be navigated to this page, and you will see the buttons are here. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So it looks like this, and it explains everything about the product and what are the upsells are also here. It is provided, the information are provided here, and we'll see the bonuses now. If you are planning to purchase these, then as a part of custom bonuses from my side, you will be getting 4 bonuses. So first will be this bonus number 1, the affiliate marketing action plan. Second bonus will be a video editor, SC video editor. So it is a nice video editor you can use for creating your YouTube videos. Okay. Third one is bonus number 3, which is article rewriter pro, and it will help you writing articles, and it will help you creating content for your websites to be published to your website. Okay, the fourth one is fan automator. This is WordPress plugin, and it will help you engaging your followers on social media like Facebook, and it will publish content, automatically publish content to your uh, social media uh, like Facebook, and keep them engaged. Okay, as a part of my custom bonuses, you will be getting 4 bonuses. After that, also you will be getting these bonuses from vendor. Okay, so there are around 15 bonuses from vendor as well. So click on this link when you come to this page, and when you are watching YouTube, click on the link below in the description area, so that it will come, you will come to this page and you can go through this. Okay, so after you purchase on your Warrior Plus account, a button will be here, like a blue button. So it will when you click on this, you will be getting all my 4 bonuses, and if you click on the green button, then you will be redirected to this Instant Guru dashboard page in the members area. Okay, So that's it regarding this sales page. So we'll see a demo later on, and keep watching.
Attention! If you are looking for a product which can generate review blogs, videos, articles and post to your websites and social media every day with literally new content, then how you will react on it. Isn't it something revolutionary and sounds interesting? Generating commissions as an affiliate on JVZoo and Warrior Plus is really hard. So let this software do it for you. Web-based software creates fully automated, 100% done for you, JVZoo plus Warrior Plus affiliate review sites that rank themselves on Google. It's clear that according to Google themselves, creating regular original content for your site is the single biggest factor in ranking highly in Google search. Introducing Instant Guru, and what exactly Instant Guru does is, it creates and posts original content to your site for you every day. It gives Google exactly what it wants. It gives your visitors what they want. Instant Guru does all the hard work so you don't have to. The internet marketing gold rush is crazy right now. With great daily content, Google ranking plus traffic and easy JVZoo plus Warrior plus affiliate commissions with just one click. Yes, that's right. A whole site, all about the latest internet marketing news designed, created and hosted for you. With great quality daily content that your visitors will love, done for you and posted to your site every single day. Totally original content ranking your site on Google for 24/7 free search traffic. And completely done for you monetization, with reviews of the top converting JVZoo plus Warrior Plus products posted for each week. I'm talking top quality reviews of the very best products, complete with video, bonuses, proven sales copy. The key with Instant Guru is everything is as simple as it possibly could be. Absolutely everything is done for you. Log in to the web-based software. Choose a name for your site. Enter your JVZoo plus Warrior Plus IDs. This is so you get full credit for any sales your site makes. Don't worry if you don't have JVZoo and Warrior Plus affiliate accounts yet. It's free and creating your account takes seconds. Click the button to create my site, that's it, you're done. If you are looking something like this and planning to purchase, then click on the link below and you will get 4 more awesome bonuses along with vendor bonuses. Affiliate Marketing Action Plan SC Video Converter Article Rewriter Pro Fan Automator, tons of vendor bonuses. Thank you for watching. If you are looking something like this to have, then click on the below link to grab it with my awesome bonuses which will definitely help you grow even more. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's see a demo in Instant Guru members area.
Okay guys, so I'm in the member area of Instant Guru, you can see, and I'm here in the welcome to the website setup process page. So we'll here create a new website as part of subdomain here. So let me enter some details about the website, domain name, subdomain name. So I'll name it as Get Amazing Offers. Okay, Get Amazing Offers, and set site title I'll put the same name, Get Amazing Offers. Okay, and then I can enter here my Warrior Plus affiliate ID or JVZoo affiliate ID, but for now I'll provide some random number like this, and JVZoo ID I'll provide some number like this. Then let's create a website. Okay, so I have clicked on this button, create a website, and it is creating a website for me, and it will be listed here in the your site list. Okay, so you can see my website has been created now, and I am the admin of this site. So you can see the latest, as soon as I have created, it has listed me with the latest post in my website already, and the latest review video as well. So if I'll click on this Get Amazing Offers live page and view live, then let's see how it shows us. So you can see it has created a website with my website name, Get Amazing Offers, and instantly within few seconds it has created my website with the reviews, and you can see all the articles are populated here automatically. So it is amazing, really it is amazing. And if I'll click on this, it will open that post in that page as a part of my website. You can see it is showing Get Amazing Offers .instantguru app post 1314. So the page is loading. I've clicked on a post, and let's see how it shows here. Okay, so in the meantime I am switching back to my Instant Guru app dashboard, and let's see how it looks. So we can navigate through all of the items here. So here is the setting page. When I click on setting, it will open the setting page with my username, credentials and everything. I can put my all Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram link, LinkedIn, Google link, etc. And I can choose my image also or photo also here. Okay, I can change my password, username, everything here. And there is a bonus page. You can view that as well when bonuses are added. And if any support or tutorials is required, then they have listed all the training videos and setup guide, everything here. So it will be very easy for anyone to refer it and follow the process how to set up your website. Okay, so you can see lots of banners, opt-in forms, content swapping, everything. All these are training videos are here already. They have included it. You can see lots of training videos are there. Okay, so and now I'll jump to the post again, and let's see. So you can see these many posts have been already included in my website, and I'll now navigate to my website that I have clicked on, and you can see Get Amazing Offers. This is my website name. Later on I can set my banner and images to make it the look and feel a bit better one, but it is posting, guys. See the amount of content it is posting within a minute, and you will see in few days the Google will rank my website without providing any manual effort to generate this content. Okay, so now I'm going back to the application area, the members area. Okay, so now I'll show you the content spinning part. So when this will be added, when we'll add a new word here, then you can click on this new word and provide your new word. So you can choose among this word, and for which word you want to select which word, then you can configure all those stuff here. Okay, now I will switch to content sourcing. So they have RSS feed they included, and the content are being pulled out from here. Then I'll switch to reviews. So you can see the latest review included here is the Profit Drive review. Just a couple of weeks ago it is released in from Warrior Plus platform. So that review video is included as a part of website, your website only. Okay, now I can advertise in my website also. So for that they have given an option here. So I have clicked on this link, adds an opt-in form, so I can create an advertisement and opt-in form also here on your web, so that it will be appeared on your website when it is published and it is live. So you can configure all those stuff here, the opt-in forms page, what exactly you want to advertise, all those stuff you can do that. Now I'll click on pages, and if you remember, I have created only one page now. So you can create multiple pages also here by clicking on create new page here. Okay, so it will allow you to provide a page name like test page 1, and I can provide a page photo URL also here, and just randomly you can play with this content and make your page stunning. Okay, then when I'll save setting, then it will be visible here as a new page. Okay, so now you can see the test page has been created, although it doesn't have any content now, but yes, it is created now. Now I'll click on the layouts, and it will allow me to choose any upload banner instead, or any layout here in this area. Okay, see, it is provided with the theme also, green theme, pink theme, red theme. Okay, so you can choose and upload a banner instead, and then as I click on save, so it will be that will be reflected in your site accordingly. Okay, so let me again go to my members area, and let's see what are other options provided there. Okay, so it's taking a bit time to load because okay, yeah, now it is loaded here. So you can see, so here is a configuration button here, and you can configure your site and everything, and your affiliate ID and of Warrior Plus and JVZoo, all these things you can configure using here. Okay, so now view live button is there, by clicking which you can view your page here. See, I have chosen the theme there green, so it has changed the color of the website here as green, and I have created a test page also here, and it is included here in the menu area. You can see, although it doesn't have any content now, but I have created now that page, and the page is visible here. Okay, so what I'll do now is, this is all about, you can create content in no time, and automatically it will be done using the Instant Guru application. Okay, and it will be posted to your website. Now I'll show you what you need to do. If really you are looking something like this and you want to generate content and review videos day by day and rank your website in Google, then I'll suggest it is a very good platform or good application Dan Green has created and given to the market, internet market. Okay, so in my opinion, it is a very good one. You should go for it. So I'll show you. If you decide to purchase this, then I have few bonuses also I have created for you, and I'll share it with you in some time. Okay, so in the meantime, I'll show you a demo of this sales page and how it looks. I'll show all these things. Okay. So what we can do here is, let me find out and show you the sales page, how it looks, and let you know in a moment. Okay, so if you are planning to purchase this, then click on the link below on this video, or somewhere it is available. If you are reading in email, then click on that link. If you are watching on YouTube, then click on the link below and it will take you to this page, and you can go through this page, and I can show you. If you are planning to buy this, then you will be getting 4 awesome bonuses from my side as well, apart from the vendor bonuses. The first bonus will be the bonus number 1, that is affiliate marketing action plan. So once you purchase this Instant Guru, how you can plan to monetize your websites, and how you can earn using your website post and review videos, that is explained as a part of this bonus. Okay, the second bonus is Instant Guru bonus number 2. You will get a very good video editor software which will help you in creating good videos for your YouTube. Okay, third one is bonus number 3, that is Article Review Writer Pro, and this software is a very good software which will help you creating other content apart from review videos and post to your website. Okay, then next one, the bonus number 4 is Fan Automator. This is a WordPress plugin which will help you publishing your latest post to social media accounts, and keep your fan engaged every day. Automatically it will be doing once you set the cron job. Okay, and apart from all those my bonuses, you will be getting the bonuses from vendor bonuses, and they have included lots of bonuses as well here. So when you will be in the members area, then it will be automatically delivered to your members area. Okay, so you can see this launch offer will be ending in 2 days and 9 hours and 58 minutes 45 seconds. Now it is, today is 23rd of July, and after 2 days it will be closed, so you will not get this offer again any time. Okay, so once you purchase this, and then when you will navigate to Warrior Plus, you will be looking you will find one link like this, and there will be a blue button here. Using that, when you click on this, then you will get all these bonuses what I have created for you. Okay, you can have a look here, and in the Warrior Plus purchase history, you can access this Instant Guru app from here by clicking on this green button. So that's all about this sales page. So if you are planning to purchase then click here any button, and it will take you to the sales page, and then you will be able to purchase this item. Okay, so click on any of the button here, and it will take you to the sales page, and you can purchase it from there. Okay, so now I'll explain it about the OTOs, that it contains 5 more upgrades. So if you are planning to go for these upgrades, then first one is the Pro version. So here I have already opened that Pro version. So in the Pro version, what you are getting is get unlimited sites with unlimited hosting, plus 10x faster Google rankings, and plus 10x more profits from very every site. Okay, so you can later on watch this video. It is very good video and you can opt for it. I think it will provide you unlimited websites and access and posts every time. Okay, so next one will be, so I'll show you the next one. Next one will be the daily profits, and it will be per month charge. So let's see what it offers, the daily profits. So in daily profits, so smart marketers never settle for just one income stream, instead get multiple new income streams done for you every single day. Okay, so you can watch this video and they will provide everyday review video or review articles to your website, and you can easily rank on Google, because they will be a new content every day, and they will let you know what how it will work, and you are getting very less price now. You should not miss it if you are planning to really go for it. Okay, so all of the daily review videos are delivered to your email box and your Instant Guru site every week with no work from you. So you have 100% done for your marketing campaigns for the best performing Warrior Plus and JVZoo products every single day. Okay, so next upgrade is done for you bonus. So price is a bit higher side, but if you want them to do everything for you, then you should choose this option, and you can have a look. They are saying they have very limited spots here available. Okay, and what it offers is it says, want to make it 100% certain you will get results with Instant Guru? Upgrade your license to done for you, and we will take care of literally everything for you. Only 100 spots available, but maybe now it might have decreased also. Okay, so lots of sales is going on, so it may decrease sometime. Okay, so next upgrade is advanced training. So as a part of this, they will provide you advanced training how to after you generate the content and it is publishing to your websites, how you can monetize, or how you can effectively market and earn money of it. They will provide a extensive training as a part of this package, so you can plan for it, and if you want, then you can go for it. Advanced training. So very important, pay close attention to this page. Your chances of being huge success with Instant Guru totally depend on what we are about to say in this video. You can watch this video later on. If I'll play this, and then this review video will be a bit longer, so I do not want to do that, and you can go through this while purchasing, and if you find it useful, and then definitely go for it. So next upgrade is agency license. So as a part of agency license, what you can do is, one last thing before you jump to right in the Instant Guru, what if you could sell or Instant Guru software to anywhere you want and keep 100% of the profits of yourself. So it is really a very good opportunity if anyone wants to buy it. If he or she can sell it, then he or she should be able to earn all the profits from this application. When any unit is sold along with the upgrades, you will be getting all the profits, 100% profit. Okay, so the last upgrade will be white label profit. I know it is a bit higher side, but if anyone is really interested, then definitely opt for this, because as a part of this, what they are doing is they are offering a white label. That means you can rebrand this Instant Guru and sell it in any platform, even if in Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank or anywhere else, as a part of, as your product, your own product with license. So this is a very good opportunity if anyone wants to set up a business, then they should definitely go for it. Okay, so I have covered all this stuff as a part of this review video. I hope you found it very useful, and you can go for it if you want it. And definitely it is a revolutionary software I have ever seen, which creates content and review videos within seconds or in a minute of time. Okay, so I'll say this is really a gold mine, and you can cherish whatever you want, and how much you want, you can do that by opting few of the upgrades also. Okay, so I will now explain again a bit on this, how you can achieve get all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses as well. So click on any of the link here, click on any of the button here, then it will take you to the sales page. Okay, and you should be able to purchase from there. So it will take you to this page, then you can watch this video here also on the sales page and see how they explain it. It will be
Hi, this is Dan Green, and in this short
Dan Green
video
will
we're
be
going to show
explaining
you
you.
how
Okay.
our new software, Instant Guru, can very
Okay, you can
we have taken
watch it later on at your own time, and I'll just let you know. When you come to this sales page, you click on this any of the button and click on this buy button, and it will take you to the purchase page from Warrior Plus. Okay, you can then, when you purchased it, after that this bonus page will be automatically delivered to you. Okay, so you will be getting this bonus page after you purchased it, and you will be getting all the vendor bonuses as well as a part of your purchase. Okay, so this brings the end of the video, and you guys, I hope you guys liked it and it is useful for you, and I'll see you in next video, next review video, and until then, take care of yourself, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Learn and Earn with Sujit Patel. Okay, keep watching this space, and thank you very much for watching and being with me. Take care, guys.